Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for all things tech and collectibles. Today, we have something truly exciting for all Pokémon fans and card collectors alike. The Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Silver Tempest Elite Trainer Box. If you're looking to step up your game and dive deep into the thrilling world of Pokémon, then this is hands down one of the best ways to experience the Silver Tempest expansion. Right off the bat, this Elite Trainer Box is packed with incredible items. First up, you get 8 Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield, Silver Tempest Booster Packs. These packs are your gateway to exploring the newest cards from the Silver Tempest expansion, featuring some of the most powerful Pokémon VSTAR and Pokémon VMAX. From Lugia to Regieleki and Regidrago, the excitement is endless. To help you protect your collection, the box also comes with 65 card sleeves featuring Alolan Vulpix, a favorite for many fans. These sleeves are not just functional but add a touch of style to your collection. You also get 45 Pokémon TCG energy cards to power up your decks and be ready for battle. The Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield, Silver Tempest Elite Trainer Box doesn't stop there. It comes with a player's guide to the expansion, which gives you insider tips on the cards and how to use them in your strategies. This guide is perfect for both beginners and experienced players looking to make the most out of their new cards. For those serious about gameplay, you'll appreciate the 6 damage counter dice and the 1 competition legal coin flip die. These are essential for any battle, ensuring you're fully equipped for your matches. Plus, the 2 acrylic condition markers will help you keep track of any status effects during the game. This Elite Trainer Box isn't just about the cards and accessories, it's about setting you up for an amazing Pokémon adventure. Whether you're a player looking to build your ultimate deck or a collector hunting for rare cards, this box has it all. The combination of the packs, sleeves, and guide makes it the ultimate Silver Tempest experience. So, if you're ready to take your Pokémon TCG collection to the next level, don't miss out on the Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Silver Tempest Elite Trainer Box. It's packed with everything you need for hours of entertainment and strategy, and it's the best way to embrace the Silver Tempest expansion in all its glory. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one from Product Critique.